Have you ever heard of animals that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, today, we're diving into the world of some of the rarest and most incredible creatures on the planet. Get ready to be amazed by bizarre, adorable, and even mysterious animals. So, get comfortable and let's go. Axolotl, nature's eternal baby. Our first guest is the axolotl. This adorable amphibian looks like a real-life Pokemon, but its greatest ability isn't battling. It's regenerating. Unlike other amphibians, the axolotl never undergoes complete metamorphosis, keeping its larval appearance throughout its life. Like an aquatic Peter Pan, it retains its external gills and lives permanently underwater. But what truly makes the axolotl one of the rarest animals in the world is its incredible regenerative ability. If it loses a limb, or even parts of its heart or brain, it simply regrows them as if nothing happened. This ability has fascinated scientists, who study the axolotl in hopes of uncovering secrets that could revolutionize regenerative medicine. Unfortunately, this charismatic little creature is critically endangered in the wild. Originally found in lakes near Mexico City, its population has drastically declined due to pollution and habitat destruction. Thankfully, it is widely bred in captivity and has a dedicated army of fans worldwide fighting for its conservation. Red-handed handfish. The fish that walks. The red-handed handfish is a true oceanic gem. As the name suggests, it has fin-like hands, and they're not just for show. This fish actually uses them to walk along the ocean floor. Instead of swimming like most fish, it prefers to stroll slowly over the sand and among reefs, making it one of the most curious creatures in the aquatic world. Unfortunately, this peculiar species is extremely rare, found only off the coast of Tasmania, Australia. Its limited habitat and environmental threats have made it one of the most endangered fish on the planet. The red-handed handfish also stands out with its vibrant colors and unique appearance. Its body is covered in striking shades of orange and red, while its bright red hands resemble flashy gloves, as if it's ready for an underwater party. But this coloration isn't just for style. It's believed to ward off predators since bright colors in nature often signal toxicity. However, despite this natural defense, habitat destruction and accidental fishing have drastically reduced its population, making its protection essential. Once thought to be extinct for decades, it was rediscovered in 2021, reigniting hope for its conservation. Today, scientists and environmentalists are working to better understand its biology and ensure that it continues walking through the oceans for years to come. After all, losing such an extraordinary fish would mean saying goodbye to one of Earth's most unusual creatures. Okapi, the secret giraffe cousin. The okapi is a true natural mystery. Despite its striped legs resembling those of a zebra, it is actually the closest living relative of the giraffe. This rare mammal inhabits the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where it stays hidden from curious eyes. It was only scientifically discovered in 1901, making it one of the last large mammals to be recorded in modern science. Its peculiar appearance is the result of a unique evolutionary mix. Its body resembles that of a horse, its striped legs look like a zebra's, and its elongated head is reminiscent of a giraffe's. A true patchwork of evolution. Beyond its distinctive look, the okapi has incredible adaptations for life in the forest. Its long neck and incredibly agile tongue, which can extend up to 14 inches, allow it to feed on leaves and shoots from tall trees, just like its giraffe cousin. Its tongue is so versatile that it can even be used to clean its own eyes and ears. To protect itself from predators like leopards, the okapi relies on keen hearing and natural camouflage. Its striped legs help it blend with the dappled light filtering through the trees, making it harder to spot. On top of that, it has scent glands that leave chemical trails, helping individuals communicate even in dense forests. Unfortunately, Despite its secretive nature, the okapi is threatened by habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Mining and deforestation have been steadily shrinking the forests it calls home, making survival increasingly difficult. Thankfully, conservation efforts are in place to protect this mysterious creature, including the creation of the Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a protected area in the Ituri Forest. Scientists and environmentalists continue to monitor the population of this emblematic species, reminding us how astonishing nature can be. The okapi is living proof that the world still holds incredible secrets. Yangtze giant softshell turtle. A living legend, the Yangtze giant softshell turtle is one of the rarest and most mysterious reptiles on the planet. This massive species, which can exceed 220 pounds, inhabits rivers and lakes in China and Vietnam. With a flattened body and a soft, flexible shell, it stands out from traditional turtles with its unique, almost prehistoric appearance. Its elongated snout works like a built-in snorkel, allowing it to breathe while remaining submerged. Despite being a discreet and reclusive animal, its story has captured global attention because only a handful of individuals are known to exist in the wild, making its conservation a true race against time. Beyond its rarity, this turtle possesses incredible abilities. Spending most of its life underwater, it has developed a unique breathing mechanism. In addition to lungs, it can absorb oxygen directly through its skin and throat, allowing it to stay submerged for long periods. Its flexible shell, though seemingly less protective than a traditional turtle's, is a perfect adaptation for an aquatic lifestyle, making it more agile and allowing it to easily bury itself in riverbeds to hide from predators. As a carnivore, its diet includes fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, which it captures with swift, precise movements. Unfortunately, this species is on the brink of extinction. For decades, poaching and habitat degradation have drastically reduced its population. In 2019, the last known female in captivity died, increasing the urgency for scientists to find surviving wild individuals to ensure the species' reproduction. Researchers are currently scouring remote areas of China and Vietnam in search of undiscovered turtles that could help save this living relic of evolutionary history. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is a symbol of ecosystem fragility and a reminder of the importance of conservation before it's too late. Saola, the Asian unicorn. The saola, also known as the Asian unicorn, is one of the world's most enigmatic animals. Only discovered in 1992 in the remote Annamite Mountains between Vietnam and Laos, this rare antelope has become a symbol of the region's hidden biodiversity. The name saola means spindle horns in the local language, referring to its beautiful, long, parallel horns, which can reach up to 20 inches in length. Despite its resemblance to an antelope, the saola is more closely related to wild cattle and musk oxen, making it even more unique. What makes this animal so fascinating is its elusive nature and extreme rarity. The saola lives deep in dense tropical forests, far from human contact, and there are almost no documented records of it in the wild. It is so difficult to find that scientists have never been able to study it directly for extended periods. Everything we know comes from camera traps and occasional reports from local villagers. Unlike many hoofed animals, it appears to prefer solitude or small family groups. Additionally, it has specialized scent glands on its face used to mark territory, a behavior more common in carnivores than in herbivores. Today, multiple international organizations are working to protect the forests where it lives. But its extreme rarity makes every sighting a major scientific event. The saola remains a living mystery, a reminder that nature still holds incredible secrets waiting to be uncovered. Star-nosed mole, a rodent from outer space. If there were a contest for the weirdest animal on Earth, the star-nosed mole would definitely be on the podium. This small mammal looks like a mix between a rat and an alien, but its biggest highlight is its nose, a bizarre structure made up of 22 pink ultra-sensitive tentacles. And it's not just for show. This nose acts like a biological radar, scanning everything around at lightning speed. In fact, it's so fast that it can identify and devour prey in just 0.25 seconds, making it the fastest hunting mammal in the world. And the weirdness doesn't stop there. Unlike other moles that spend their lives digging underground tunnels, the star-nosed mole is also a water lover. That's right. It's an excellent swimmer and can even hunt underwater, using its super-powered snout to detect larvae and tiny crustaceans. Plus, it's practically blind. But who needs eyesight when you've got a super nose like that? In the end, this little creature might look like a monster from a sci-fi movie, but it's proof that nature loves to get creative with its designs. The snub-nosed monkey, Myanmar's famous missing nose primate. Here's another exotic character from the animal kingdom. With its unusual look and a nose that seems to have gone on vacation, the snub-nosed monkey of Myanmar fascinates scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Living deep in Myanmar's remote forests, this primate is famous for its one-of-a-kind appearance. Its short, upturned nose gives it a truly unique look, almost like nature's own quirky experiment. Despite its odd features, it's well adapted to its mountainous environment, and its camouflage skills are impressive. Beyond its unusual looks, the snub-nosed monkey also has some pretty mysterious behaviors. It lives in groups, feeds on leaves and fruits, and is incredibly agile in the treetops. But what really makes it stand out is its rarity. Found only in a few specific regions and threatened by habitat destruction, this primate is one of the world's most endangered species. Its existence is yet another reminder that nature still has surprises that can leave us in awe. Who would have thought a monkey with no nose could be one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet? The blue dragon, a deep-sea mystery. Imagine a dragon, but not the kind from ancient legends. The blue dragon is a tiny yet mesmerizing sea creature that looks like something straight out of a fantasy novel. Measuring just 1 to 1.5 inches long, it's one of the most fascinating mollusks in the ocean. But don't be fooled by its delicate appearance. This dragon is a ruthless predator, even feeding on dangerous creatures like the Portuguese man-o-war, a jellyfish with venomous tentacles. You can find the blue dragon in tropical and temperate waters around the world, but its rarity and unique ability to float upside down make it one of the hardest animals to spot. It moves using a technique called surface drifting, riding ocean currents to navigate open waters. Although small and fragile, its striking beauty and mysterious nature captivate marine biologists and nature lovers alike. If you're lucky enough to see one in the wild, you're witnessing one of the ocean's rarest and most hypnotizing wonders. Saiga, the incredible and rare-nosed antelope. Picture an antelope with such a large, unique nose that it looks like it was designed to shield itself from the icy winds of the steppes. That's the saiga, a rare and fascinating creature that roams the vast steppes of Central Asia. Its distinctive, large, and curved nose isn't just an odd feature. It helps filter the hot, dry air, aiding in respiration in an unpredictable and harsh environment. What makes the saiga even more impressive is that, despite its bizarre appearance, it is incredibly well adapted to its surroundings. Living in large herds, these antelopes travel long distances, grazing on low-lying plants and enduring the extreme conditions of their region. Unfortunately, this magnificent creature faces an uncertain future. With fewer than 100,000 saigas left, the species is in serious danger due to illegal hunting and habitat loss. Human pressure has been so intense that these once abundant animals, now a rare sight in the steppes, have become a precious and endangered species. The saiga, with its almost otherworldly appearance, is a living reminder of how surprising nature can be and how the future of such wonders depends on our ability to protect them. Time is running out, but there is still hope if the world unites to ensure that the saiga and its incredible adaptations do not vanish into extinction. Narwhal, the unicorn of the sea that enchants the Arctic. Imagine an animal so mysterious and visually stunning that it seems to have come straight out of a legend. That's the narwhal, a rare whale that inhabits the icy waters of the Arctic and is known for its incredible horn, which is actually an overgrown tooth that can reach up to 10 feet long. This horn isn't just for show. Narwhals use it in mating rituals and even territorial disputes. With its unique appearance, sporting a tooth resembling a unicorn's horn, the narwhal has become one of the most intriguing and fantastical creatures on the planet. Despite its imposing beauty, the narwhal faces serious threats from climate change, which is altering its frozen habitat, as well as illegal hunting. Its life in the remote, cold waters of the Arctic makes it difficult to spot, adding to its mysterious allure. As a true guardian of the frozen waters, the narwhal represents one of nature's greatest mysteries, and its rarity only increases the fascination with this unicorn-like creature. It continues to remind us that the world is full of extraordinary beings, and we must protect them before they fade into legend. As we explore the fascinating world of Earth's rarest creatures, we come across animals that often seem too strange to be real. Each one is living proof of our planet's incredible diversity and complexity, reminding us that nature is filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. However, these rare treasures are at risk, and their survival depends on our efforts. By admiring these unique creatures, we're also called to take action, to protect their habitats and ensure that future generations can experience their wonder. After all, the rarity of these animals is just a reflection of how vital they are to our world's delicate balance. Did you enjoy the video? Then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. See you next time.